Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2015 Mazda 2 1.5 Sport NAV. This car's finished in jet black metallic paint. It's got the front fog lights, LED daytime driving lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear privacy glass, you've got the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear side. Moving inside the car, this car's got the extra cream leather interior with cloth centre panels, and you've got the red cloth stripes. Red stitching. You've also got the cream leather on the dashboard and the side of the centre console. Rear passenger area. So in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving down to the rear of the car, you've got rear parking sensors, so into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, now moving around to the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this has also got electric folding mirrors. So on the dashboard you've got the controls to reset the tyre pressure, the stop start deactivation switch, and you've also got the lane departure operating switch. Centre console you've got the controls for the media system. The big dial is the control dial to select which function you're wanting to use. Volume control. Six-speed gearbox, USB and auxiliary ports, you've got the 12-volt accessory plug-in point, and you've also got the port for the SD card for the maps. CD player, heater control which has got the climate control, and this car's also got heated front seats. So the media system, you've got the home page there. So by turning the dial you just select which function you're wanting to use. So you've got the navigation, so you've got full screen navigation. Back to the home page. You've got the radio. And on the radio media system you've got AM, FM and DAB radio, you've got Bluetooth connectivity, obviously you've got your CD player as well, so with the Bluetooth you can play music from an external device. Automatic headlamps, rain sensitive wipers, controls on the steering wheel for the cruise control and speed limiter. On the other side you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible, volume control for the radio, and you've also got the arrows for station selection. Moving outside the car, you've got the identification plate, Mazda 2 1.5. It's a 115 brake horsepower model. It's a sport nav. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, so I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your inquiry. Bye.